party was nice, the party was bumping.
Yippee-i-oh,
And everybody having a ball.
yippee-i-oh,
Then little granddaddy let the cat in,
silly old
which
farm.
made Amma have a nasty fall. And then she hollered,
Who let the cat in? Who let the cat in? Who let the cat in? Who let the cat in?
everybody started screaming out that it wasn't me at all. And Grandma's in my frame went spinning all the way down the hall. Well, Ma tell herself that she got angry,
Yippee-i-oh,
but then she heard a teddy bear cry.
silly old cow.
Someone was screaming out in the pantry,
Yippee-i-oh,
"Hey woman, what you put in this pie?" And then she
Who
hollered,
cooked the rabbit? Who cooked the rabbit? Who cooked the rabbit? Who cooked the rabbit?
everyone was looking round for Harry Hamster.
oh Harry, where you gone? Oh Harry, where you gone?
Then they saw someone who was lying in the corner.
Oh Jimmy, what you done? Oh Jimmy, what you done?
I don't know.
Who ate the hamster? Who ate the hamster? Who ate the hamster? Who ate the hamster?
Well, the fur was really flying now, and Ma was in a rage. But the only thing left was a totally empty cage. So we went into the room and we had a little drink and we talked about how Auntie trying to gerbil in the sink, but the sink got blocked and started to flood and the ceiling came down. We did terrible fun. Everyone was screaming and running around. I went flying through the air before I hit the ground. At the top of our voice, Ma said, "Sit down," which is when we all heard a funny little sound.
Who squashed the party?